Choose an operation. Today we are going to decide whether we're going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide with a word problem. We'll be looking for clue words that will tell us what operation we're going to do. What's the answer to a math problem, to an addition problem called? Think about it, think about it, think about it, tell me.
The sum.
So if the problem asks for a sum, you know you're adding. What is the answer to a subtraction problem, boys and girls? Think about it, think about it, think about it, tell me.
The difference.
So if the problem asks for a difference, then you're going to subtract. What is the answer to a multiplication problem, boys and girls? Think about it, think about it, think about it, tell me. Try it again. Tell your neighbor what it is so that they get it. No, multiplication problem begins with a P. Okay, here we go. Think about it, tell me.
Product.
And what do we call the answer to a division problem? Tell your neighbor, talk to your neighbor, try to remember what it is. That's a new one. Good. Think about it, think about it, think about it, tell me. So those are obvious clues. If it asks for any of those, then it automatically tells you what you're doing. And sometimes it will not ask you. Sometimes it will tell you to look how many groups are there, how many in each group, things like that. So we're going to look at some clues to tell us. Everybody look at the example on page 268. Sometimes you need to decide whether to add, subtract, multiply, or divide to solve a problem. Okay, so let's read the problem together. Ready? Third graders went on a field trip to a petting zoo. They had lunch in the picnic area at the zoo. Okay. So sometimes you have to find the total. If it asks you for a total, let's read the question. Here's a question to go along with that. Ready? There are 17 goats and 26 sheep in one pen. How many animals are in the pen? So that's asking for a total, right? You have two different types of numbers, don't you? So can we multiply? No, because multiplication is, think about it, it's repeated something. Think about it, think about it, think about it, tell me. Repeated addition. So since we have different numbers we're adding together, we can't do multiplication. And when it asks for a total, we are going to think about it, tell me. Add. And as you can see, their example is addition. Sometimes you have to multiply to find the total. Okay? Let's look at this one. 5 apple pies. Let's read. 5 apple pies. So how many groups do we have?
5.
Are cut into, let's read, are cut into 6 slices. How many parts are in each group? Think about it, tell me.
11.
No, 6. There are 5 pies cut into 6 pieces. So you have 5 groups. How many are in each group? Tell me.
6.
So if you have the number of groups and how many are in each group, you're going to think about it, think about it, think about it, tell me. If you have the number of groups and you know how many are in each group, what operation are you going to do, Skylar King?
You are going to divide.
Really? Isn't division a total? You have the total group and you're breaking that total into a number of groups? What is it when we have the number of groups and how many are in each group? What operation is that? Talk to your neighbor quickly. Think about it, think about it, think about it, tell me.
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Good. Hit stop.